Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss about the indications of Caesarean section or the C-section. So first of all we will discuss the mnemonic to make it easy. So first is the mnemonic. Mnemonic is mice game. So first is the M for the malposition of the baby. It can also an indication for the C-section. Next is the I for the induction failure. If the induction of labor is failed, it can also lead to a C-section. Next is the C for the contracted pelvis. It is the anomaly of the mother pelvis. It can also lead to a C-section. Next is the E for the eclampsia. If the blood pressure is very high during the pregnancy, plus the protein urea occur in the mother, it can also lead to a C-section. Next is the G for the, sorry, it is not G, it is C for the cervical cancer. If the tumors of the cervix occur, it can also lead to a C-section. Next is the A for the antepartum hemorrhages. If occur, it can also lead to a C-section. Next is the M for the any medical illness which is complicating during the pregnancy. It will also lead to a C-section. And the last is the E for the elderly primi, like if the age of the mother is very high, there is also a increased chances of C-section or the Caesarean section. So this is all about the mnemonic mice game for the indications of C-section. I hope this is very easy for you to remember. So I hope you have liked this video. If you have understand it, please share it to your friends. If you have any question, you can comment below. You can subscribe our channel for more such mnemonic videos. You can watch out our other videos. You can join our Facebook, Telegram, Instagram pages. All the links are given in the description. Thanks for watching.